Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. If you clicked on this video, I just want to say thank you for taking the time out of your day to support a smaller content creator like myself. Let's talk about Palantir Technologies, PLTR, and especially some recent words that the CEO has described about the company, and that does bring bullishness and confidence into PLTR. And especially looking at the current price, we've seen a little bit of a cool down, especially after earnings was released, and not many changes actually within the company. Actually, bullish statements have been made, especially like that $1 billion stock buyback program of their common stock that the CEO did announce after earnings were released. So do we have a buy in the dip type of situation? That's of course a question that you need to answer for yourself, but let's take a look at the metric and do some research. Now, of course, hit that like button for the algorithm and subscribe for daily videos. Please watch the full video throughout, and I can't thank you guys enough. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything I say with a grain of salt and do your own research before making an investment decision. Popping up on the screen here, you got Palantir Technologies. Right now, it's sitting at about $14.50 on the last market close, holding some support there. We're seeing this right here at a market cap of about 31 billion. Trading volume on this last market was 43 million. It's especially going to be interesting to see how PLTR does trade today. And remember, before earnings, PLTR had this most recent swing high to about 2024. Coming down here, finding support at the 15s, and then finding support here and even a bounce back at 14, now sitting here at 14.50. What we've seen here is the support has been tested before. You can kind of see some trading history, this pattern that's kind of repeating itself right now. Now the question is, will Palantir Technologies be able to hold this $14, or will it fall down into more lower support zones? And we're talking about here in the $7 range. Now if Palantir does come down basically half the price to about that $7 range, it could really be changed to a buy rating. Many analysts right now are actually scoring it as a whole, but I think what's important is the president, CEO of the company here, Alex Karp, basically says that he's bullish enough by saying Palantir that we have a good chance of becoming the most important software company in the world. So he obviously does not lack any type of confidence here looking at this article from Motley Fool, but talking about some of the reasons to be exciting about this is that there's an infinite market for Palantir's artificial intelligence AI solutions. And he basically wants to lead the AI arms race. And what he means by this is Palantir is really dumping all the resources into their AIP program. And you have customers that are really flocking right now at this program, and especially it's gaining a good reputation because they're building these government contracts. And if the government is being contracted utilizing this artificial intelligence platform software from Palantir to help answer some important data analytic questions that make some good business decisions, and other businesses, not just government contracts, are looking into this, then you do have this reputation and this credibility that's continuing to build. With that, you have revenue metrics that are continuing to increase, and that's what we've seen with Palantir. And you can see right here, they have really offered, and especially the U.S. Special Operations Command says that this could be worth up to $463 million, just a single contract that was awarded to Palantir for a multi-year contract. Now, talking about this does lead to robustness in cash flow, enabling capital returns to share owners. And one thing that Palantir really does kind of, I want to say, outstand or separate itself from the other tech companies is that they are already profitable. A lot of these tech stocks, especially AI stocks that are more speculative, do take a long time before they turn profitable, investing a lot of money in their actual resources in the products that they are going to sell. But since Palantir is already in a positive cash flow, it has already delivered an operating profit of $10 million in the second quarter. So you have the CEO really coming out here, lots of bullishness, saying, hey, they are going to lead the AI arms race with some credibility behind that. And you're seeing that not just in talk of the talk, but actually walking the walk. And what I mean by that is they're profitable. You have contracts that are coming in, especially from the government, bringing reputation, and customers are really starting to flock towards Palantir. And with his strategy right here is that basically he says right here, is AI just to take the whole market? They basically want to try to take all the AI industry, and this could be predicted to possibly be over a $800 billion industry, and especially with cash and investments, Palantir is looking bullish, and not many things have really changed within the fundamentals of the company, especially like I said at that $14.50, and before earnings was at that $20. So Other things to look at are option trading. Is that implied volatility is becoming higher, especially here in October 20th. What we're seeing for some of those contracts that will be ending around October 20th, we see a lot of people, especially with options traders, that are anticipating large movements in the market and especially in the future. Now, this does not mean it's always to the bullish side. This could be to the other side too. But however, options with high levels of implied volatility suggest that these investors are expecting big moves in one direction. The question is it just going to be in the green direction? And finally, Palantir stock is also rated as some of the best stocks to buy within the AI industry, posted on NASDAQ.com. So it's a trending stock. We have lots of people looking at it, and they show credibility within the company, especially with bullishness from the CEO. I guess what does the future hold for Palantir? Only time will tell, but it's looking great, especially as a profitable company off the bat. I want to know, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Let's start a discussion, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.